I didn't know if you right-clicked on a source, it would switch to it. What the fuck? I meant to hit this button. Hello? How's it going? I heard from somebody, I don't know who, that part 2 today is kind of hard. Is this true? Can you confirm, deny? I'm a little bit concerned. Oh, what was I up to here? No sweat? So it's easy. Is that what you're saying? Day 14. Touch P1, Chmod P1. Oh, Chmod P1. Thanks for the follow. Oh, wait, why am I, You're not that far yet. You're only on day 5 so far. I see. Well, spoilers. Upcoming if you care. But let's see. What are we doing? We edit the P1 and then we go to this 14, watch and reload P1, bin bash, clear, boom. We're doing the thing. I do kind of want to figure something out real quick. Before we get into the advent of code. Let's see. I want to go to my overlay. I want to do an npm start. I forget all the buttons to use this Tmux program, but we can. What do I want to do? I wanted to look at the WebSocket. So we're doing something here already. Oh, so where do you log all the things? Localhost 5173. Okay, this is my overlay. If we go to the console and we send a message. Hi. Does not show up over here. What? What? Excuse me? Oh, wait. We have to go to the chat one. Duh. Oh. I hope that wasn't the whole token. Why is that in my browser history? No. Oh, no. I don't think that... No, that is the whole token. Fuck. All right, hold on. Hold on. We got to do some things. Reset token. Oh, it feels bad. What a start. Feels not good. Okay. How goes it? What you working on? I'm working on leaking my tokens, apparently, all over the place. Now I gotta replace it in like 37 places. Stand by. Properties. 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 Why did you win? Why not? You're the best. Were you not supposed to win? Hey, how's it going? Fish. Ooh, I got an axolotl. It's so over for you. Oh, I'm so strong. My fish had no health left and I won anyhow. I did maybe mess up that battle by reloading the overlay during that. That's maybe on me. Is there anywhere else I need to change this token? Yeah, a million places. Tau token. Yep. Okay. Need to restart some bots. Okay. That sucked. What I want to test. Who wants to be a volunteer? How about good cop as the volunteer? I'll say haha, good cop will say lol. And then I will delete this message. How do you delete a message? I don't want to ban. I just want to delete the one message. I always forget how to do this. Oh gosh. I need to like go to mod view or something. How do you get to mod view? Moderator? Moderate your own channel. Moderate your own channel. Now I hear myself great. Have to have the mod buttons on? How do you even do that? I don't know. I think I'm in here. I still can't delete it. Cogwheel show mod icon somewhere. Oh. Wait, I don't see a cogwheel. Modes. Below chat by the sun, it's literally not there. Oh, now it's here. What? Switch to non-mod settings? I'm in the mod settings. Deleted messages? No. Why is this so hard? Oh, show mod icons. All right. I'm going to try deleting your message. Did I get an event for that? I know, I'm sorry. Does this only do the private messages? That's a problem. It's a separate IRC command? Yeah, that's what I figure. Wait, was it this one? I didn't expand this one. Nope. Private message. Problem is, I'm not sure if my thing that I'm using does those. Which is unfortunate. Is this a skill issue? I'm connecting to that. Let's see. Use IRC. All right. Let's go to the source code. Need a raw IRC message to test again? Oh yeah, you could do like a /me or something. But I mean, I think what's going on here is it's just only doing the private message. Wait, why do you have a pirate software one? So there is stuff in here that's doing what is any of this? Worker IRC? Every time I read this code, I get a little more confused. What? Okay, this is utils. This is parsing a message. I wonder if I'm gonna have to... Oh, you got a golden kappa. Nice. Okay, what is this endpoint that we're connecting to? We're connecting to chatbots. Let's start tracing from there. Chatbots. Chatbot actions extends some stuff. Delete. This is like managing your chatbots. Hold on. What are we doing? We're going to do Advent of Code, but I'm trying to fix something about my overlay real quick. Tau also provides WebSockets for your streamer user chat. And any chatbots you have set up at... Yeah, this Advent of Code involves IRC. No. I'm just distracted. You gotta bear with me. Stream gets a little ADHD sometimes. You must yeah. Incoming chat events to your client. Oh, I can also send outgoing messages? Really? I didn't even know I could do this. That's fun to learn. Now, what if I want the ones that aren't private messages? How do we set that up? It's not a view. It's is this code so hard to read? Okay, ASGI. This one, we need to go to the chatbot consumer. Well, when I clicked that, I didn't want to... IRC is nothing crazy. Yeah, okay. This is a self-inflicted problem. It's not IRC that's complicated. It's the thing in between me and the IRC that's complicated. And that is, that's on me. Can we just connect to the IRC WebSocket directly? Would that be better? Yeah, because you don't need to authenticate, right? To read the messages. That might be smarter because we're not sending any messages from the overlay. We're only consuming. But I don't mind adding the feature if I can figure out how to do it. So the chatbot consumer connects to the Quargs. Okay, receive. Pass message. Oh no, we want send subscription. IRC action. So we come back to here. We're getting something that says IRC username and a data. I'm really surprised that, like, okay. Well, this one just gets parsed wrong. Or is that not parsed wrong? Okay, hold on. Oh, I can't delete my own message. All right, we're deleting Pigorley's fish, as is standard practice. Yeah, no, the deletion doesn't come through at all. I wonder why. I hate tracing this code because there's literally like functions that get called by fucking magic by like constructing the function name as a string. And so you can't actually find all of the call sites of a function, which is just so frustrating. And I don't have words for how annoying that is to do. And there's like a bunch of inheritance stuff going on here, and it's just so hard to trace. But what I don't understand subscription? Like I don't. What is subscription? Subscription unsubscribe? Remember tilt? Like any other emotion is temporary? I'm not tilted, if that's what you're saying. I'm just struggling. I'm so tilted? Oh no. Whatever do you mean? Oh, speaking of pirate software, I can be pirate software. We can trace this code in pirate software mode. Let's see. Am I doing it right? All right. You know what's gonna untilt us? I don't know how I feel about these. They're like, they're okay. What is that one? Untilted? I got my untilt juice. No, I'm actually so tilted, you're right. It's so over. You know what's funny is this thing doesn't even work well anyways. So maybe we should just do what you're saying. All right. Should we do that instead of admin of code? All right, we're doing it. What ask ChatGPT to explain this code? That would help make me more tilted. If you wanna see me get more tilted, we can definitely go down that rabbit hole. I think ditching this for the chat WebSocket is the right call. So let's go Twitch. What is it called? Chat API? No, it's not event sub for chat. It's this one. Where do they put the endpoints? Somewhere in here. Getting started. Whoa, they say to use TMI.js. Did you know you're in the docs? Wow. We're not going to be doing this, but it's cool that you're in here. Yeah, these. Nice. Oh, why did it move? Okay, here. Non-SSL WebSocket. Here we go. We connect here. So you're telling me we don't need to authenticate. We can just do a join. Let's give that a try. So instead of connecting to Tau, this is gonna break so many things, by the way. Let's turn off this chat and get this one. We don't need the 443. That is superfluous. G'day. Hey, Jerem. How's it going? Let's not do any of this. Let's just console.log our data, because that other thing is just gonna explode. All right, good. Right, it's not JSON. You are correct. Why are you still trying to do JSON? What? Does this do a JSON parse? This does a JSON parse. What the heck? I see. Are you really doing a rewrite now? It won't take long. Shoot. Why do we JSON parse here? That is foolish. I want to keep this API reasonable. But what is CB? Is it even used anywhere? Oh yeah, here. Send the cop request to upgrade to tags and special commands, and then they literally send then oh, I thought they made that not work anymore. But I trust you. Yeah, I mean, I know they have something. They have to have something for when you're not signed in, you can still read chat. What do I do to make this API not suck? What are we doing? We're fixing up my overlay real quick. What is E in this case? I guess this has to go here. On message. E is a message event. Jeez. God, what do I even do here? Raj hacking native WebSockets? Of course. You figure it out. I will. On message E. Argument of type message event any. The API for WebSockets? What do you mean? It's great. It's my wrapper that's not very good. Because it's kind of not designed for this. What is it complaining about now? Argument of type message event any, not assignable to parameter of type T. Is message events parameterized? Wait, how do I go to these things? No, you're right. It's 4:30. What's up? Well, so if I went to bed, then I would have only been awake for 5.5 hours today. And that seems like not enough time to be awake. Yeah, yeah. So I'm gonna go a little bit longer. How are you doing? The hell is a message event? Is this this is a Oh, this is a web thing. How's day 14? Oh, we haven't started it yet. I'm like trying to fix my overlay. You can see this error message over here. I want to, as an object with data property. I thought for a second that it was something I wrote, which is why I was super confused. So why am I doing this then? We can just keep that as message event. Easy. You're mad, and I understand that you're mad because you want this. Now you're happy. Chat WebSocket. We give you no, don't parse LML true. Okay. We're good. We fixed it. We can come over here. We can refresh. What the fuck is this? Is that my new token? God damn it. Just made that token. God damn it. All right, we'll get a new token. This one's going to be... I'm not even going to bother updating it in all the places until we're done here. We're going to update it in one place. We're not going to console log that because apparently doxes the heck out of me. Which one do I need to update? Hate my life. Why am I so bad at everything? Okay. Done leaking it. No more. Chat. Socket opened. Congratulations. So it's trying to send a message right away with this thing. We probably don't want to do that. Twitch probably doesn't care what our Tau token is. So yeah. Can I give this a default? I'm gonna say like authenticate true. Then it doesn't need a question mark. No, that's dumb. We're gonna keep going with the silly API. It's dumb, but it's, you know. Oh, we gotta put that back to optional. Okay. At this point, I should just not use my make reconnecting WebSocket thing, but I'm stubborn. We should be able to bring this back now. Why? Why? Why did it do that? I didn't use the don't authenticate. Reset token. Okay. Stop doing that. Stop. What? Why did you send it? That's not the right token, by the way. Don't bother. I didn't change it yet. That makes sense. Makes sense. We're having a real. You're gobbling up all these tokens. Okay, none of them would do anything. By the way. So we're back. We're so back. OCRing all of them with Shurex. Oh, I hope if they do something, you're friendly. What is this? WebSocket. E dot on dot event listener open E. No, not E. F. What do you mean? Why don't you want the semicolon? Huh? No. Okay. JavaScript's hard. What are we doing when it opens? You told me we're doing something. We're sending the, I don't know, they probably tell us. Your bot must reply with a Pong message. Oh boy. Don't worry, I'll say Pong. You should try reconnecting with the back off approach. Yeah, totally. Don't worry, I'll do that. Don't you worry. I will absolutely not just spam you with reconnects. I would never. I'm a good developer. Cap is optional. So do I need a cap? Let's see if we can just do a join. Oh wait, I probably have to do a nick first, right? Was it 5, 6? Getting tags and more commands? Okay. Wait, we don't have a send? What do we have? Dot. Oh no, e dot send. Maybe we should call this WS. Would be a better name. We can call this E because it's actually an event. You need to send pass and nick. Wait, what do I send for pass? You told me. I'm scrolling up. Oh, just anything. Okay. Okay. Welcome. Good luck. Have fun. Your host is TMI. This server is rather new. Smiley face. I would like to join Bad Cop. Let me in. Am I in? A. Oh. Okay. Do we get enough? If I say delete message got him. No, okay, we do need to send some sort of. Give me more cap. No cap. Send me requesting Twitch capabilities. To request Twitch specific command messages, those ones. But what if I want like the delete message? Or to also include tags. Oh. Should I do that first before I join? Whoops. Twitch.tv. Oh, first message. Okay. Okay. Now we are looking good. Get deleted. Clear message. Okay. So what I'm looking at now, we have some weird messages that aren't what I expect. Trying to figure out how to parse these. All right. I have a plan. Don't worry, I have a plan. Do I have a plan? Hold on. I don't think I have a plan. Okay, I have a plan. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. You split on space. Oh, if it starts with an @ symbol and it has tags. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, okay. Let's just do all our parsing here. And then we'll put it in some nice little object that we can send to the UI. Okay. Const sections. Bothers me that this isn't bash. I know. I'm so sorry. Bash is bad at rendering graphics. Would you believe? Sections equals data.split space. Getting lost in an IRC parser. It's not that complicated. I've done it before. I've done it wrong before. Let's see. If sections dot section 0. Here, let's be good. Let's sections dot length and section 0 starts with @ symbol. Sections dot shift. Shift. Is it just shift? I don't actually know. Why are you being the way that you're being? It's fine that it doesn't exist. That just means it'll be undefined. Oh, it's fine. That's legal. Okay. What do I do instead? Use var? Var? Oh, was it being scoped to the block? Yeah, you might be right. Okay, we've got sections and we get tags. Perfect. So then what do we have? We have the like, I don't know, this is like server info garbage. And then the command. The prefix. It's the nick, user, and host. Yeah, okay. I mean, as long as we have a word for it. You want to call it prefix? We can call it prefix. Oh, yeah. Now we're getting somewhere. And then we get the command. Instead of doing, well, yeah, I like doing the shift because then we get the remainder in our sections. No, wait, do we not? Yeah, we do. Then I think the rest we're kind of at the will of like we have to switch on the command at this point. I think. Isn't there a Twitch SDK or something? Well, the problem is that this is not the right one. What the hell? Problem is that like I already kind of have too many dependencies. Like we're already dependent on Canvas confetti. And so like I don't know. I don't know if we can afford another dependency. You know, this is already like one too many. I'm thinking about getting rid of this one at one point and, you know, doing my own confetti. So we can go back to that sweet zero dependencies life. Just 2,000 more. I'm kind of, you know, I'm kind of uncomfortable with this amount. This is already past my limit. We just really needed confetti. It was really important. Can we install another dependency? We have the dependencies at home. Don't parse out. No, the dependencies at home are even worse. The dependencies at home are dom.ts. You don't want the dependencies at home. Export const $, baby. This is... I don't even like this API that I've created here. But it's better than nothing. Okay. We don't need this. Where are we doing? jQuery style. It's kind of jQuery-esque. I'll show you in a second. We're about to go there. We are going to call this hello. Const detail equals this. Great. We get a chat message. Well, so okay. Let's how do I want to do this? Chat message. Let's call this IRC message. Okay. Chat message. Why is this searching the whole universe? You're not supposed to do that. What is like... Oh, what the hell? Switch overlay. Okay. Chat message key. IRC. Where do you get used? Key extend. Okay, then it's a chat message. Let's change this. So an IRC message has, well, it sure doesn't have all this crap. Although this tags thing might be useful. Yeah, let's keep this tags thing. This looks great. Why do we have crappy Boolean? I don't love crappy Boolean. So we're not going to have this. We're just going to have this object directly. So we have command, prefix. I don't know what params is. So we only maybe have tags. Okay, how do we parse the tags? We split on semicolon. I don't know. The auto mod, I need to customize the auto mod. It's dumb. I know. I'm sorry. I don't know how to use Twitch. Dot dot split semicolon. This is not what tags equals though. We're gonna go with this and then for each EL, sure. Or maybe tag, sure. For each tag, tags, okay. We've got P subster. What am I supposed to use? How do I get rid of the... Do I use slice it? Can you slice a string? Wait, Panther is raiding, and our overlay is not working. Why is my overlay not working? Because my keys are all broken. Thank you for the raid. How is your stream? Literally deprecated. I suggest slice. Okay. Is the same syntax? We're fixing the overlay right now, but I leaked my key, so nothing works. I need to fix the key. This is some funny looking bash. Hang on. We haven't started advent of code yet. We're super distracted. Use substring. Is that one too? Don't make me look it up. Just tell me what to do, please. Key val equals tag.split on equals. Oh, but is split on equals safe? Because what if there's an equal sign in the thing? Can that happen? I don't think that can happen. I think we're fine. Woof. We tags key equals value. Parameter tag implicitly any. I assure you it's a string. Tags implicitly has any. It's yeah, it is an any. Correct. Does that actually pipe to Kause? Yeah, do you wanna do some pen testing of my Twitch bot? Does Kause have any vulnerabilities? No, get wrecked. My bash is too powerful. You're gonna have to try harder. There are some fun things you can do if you're feeling ambitious. I don't strip ANSI sequences, so you can mess things up. You can change colors, you can clear the screen, you can do all sorts of bad things. Oh yeah, it's good. What happened? Cannot set properties of undefined. Setting badging. True and real. We're gonna make that an object. And then you should be happy. Okay. Okay, I think we're close. We just need to change chat.ts. So it's listening for chat message, doesn't exist anymore. We can check for IRC message. It's going to say there's no data. So whatever you're trying to do with data, just do that like this, I guess. It doesn't have a message text. What does it have? You missed FreeBSD? Okay. Am I pushing this to my GitHub? Yeah. If data.command equals private message. Let's do this. We get out of here. And then we say message text equals data dot... It doesn't have a sections. It needs a sections, which is just a string array. Oh, but that's weird. How do we make that better? Whatever. Sections. Slice one dot join with a space. Tags is possibly undefined. Have to try the obvious. Display name can have capitals. The prefix has the login version. What is this saying? Tags appears to be unintentional because the type string array and string. What? Huh. Wait, what? Display name is the string. Can I not do this? Can I say if data.tags and this? Yeah, I can do that. Echo didn't work. Why would cat work? Oh, right. That is a thing. That is one of the weirdest TypeScript things. I forgot about that. We already have a message text. Why are we making another one? So many places to put question marks. Alka's a master too. For sure. Oh, that's a JavaScript thing? Just put an exclamation mark? No, that's not correct in this context. Oh, wait. Oh, interesting. It can infer that it's definitely true there. That's weird. All right, where else do we have problems? I hate that we're putting the question marks everywhere, actually. All right, hold on. Back up, back up. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. If data dot tags return, and then we're gonna just do. No, actually, that's fine. We still gotta fix these guys. Why is it possibly undefined here? Oh, because we're in a for each? Okay, that one I'm cool with yelling. Okay. Data.tags.emotes.map is not a function. Why not? Oh, wait, because it's... What is emotes? Emotes equals nothing? Emotes equals... Okay, what happens if I do 2 emotes? We're not parsing the emotes. They're slash separated. Okay. And this is because our I think that's the only one that is Am I using Webpack? No. This is Vite. Yeah, this emote's the only one that's weird here, so we're just gonna do that manually over here. If tags dot emotes tags.emotes equals tags.emotes, it's an array. So we're gonna split on the, I think the slash, and then we're going to map them. And then we split by the, what is it, the colon? I keep losing it. I should just copy one. Wow, where are the emotes? Hey, thank you for the raid. Please spam emotes so I can figure out what's wrong here. Colon, and then the positions. So we split on the colon, and we say stuff, positions. It's not called stuff. What is it called? ID, and then positions. And then we are gonna... You have so many wiggly emotes. That's amazing. Return ID positions. But positions is wrong, because this is also a string. So we do pstring dot splits on comma dot map pause cons positions equals that. And then this is another split, pause dot split on hyphen, const start end equals return start end. All right. And TypeScript's angry, of course. String. It's all strings. I really am OP when I catch fishes. You caught a turtle. Oh, and then it throws an error. Emotes.map is not a function. What do you mean? Did I forget to return? Tags.emotes equals this. What? What do you mean it's not a... If tags.emotes... Am I dumb? Emotes is an array. Not iterable. Why? You're not dumb? Okay. Test path? No. emotes sure looks like an array to me. Listen, that's all I'm gonna say. Look, I see map right here. Is it... Are we doing something dumb? Emotes... Is emotes not optional? Oh. Hold on. Tags.emotes equals that. Rips. Okay, object is not iterable. What object? What are you talking about? What how is an object not iterable? Say more. Use your words. Maybe it's an int? You're right. You're right. They're supposed to be... These are supposed to be... number dot parse int start end. Those were supposed to be numbers. Damn it. No, object is still not. Just do plus start. No, that's horrifying. You get that out of here. End plus 1. Wait, why end plus 1? Well, I want whatever... I might already be doing it right on the other end. Like, keep in mind, there's already a client section of this that's consuming this data. And we're just trying to, like, fit the new data into the old shape. But I'd really like to know what you mean when you say this. Chat.ts. Okay. Emote.positions.map. Is this a type error? Oh, this is a type error. No? Yes? Where? Start? Oh, look. This is not... Okay. Okay. Listen. I'm dumb. That's supposed to be an array. Okay. Hello, world. All right, we have to get rid of the colon, but we're cooking. Why is there an A? What's the A? Maybe it is plus 1. Okay, that's better. Okay, we have to slice off the colon. Why is that not a problem for the emotes? Is my question. If I do a kappa, are we good? You tried to trick me with the... Yeah, stop that. You think you're tricky. And you are. What the heck is this? Wait, how did you break it with that? Wait, what? Was that this one? Because Unicode? Well, I think that bug probably already existed. Easy fix-ish. What is... I don't know if I understand why that broke. Can you resend that message? So I can get it? Okay. So it was this, kappa, this, kappa, kappa. Emoji have 2 characters in JS. Really? Twitch's server is Unicode aware. What about ones like, what about the complicated ones? Are those also? Like this is probably, if I do kappa family of 4 kappa. Yeah, that's even more broken. Family of 4 is even wider. Good old family of 4. Wait, I only got a family of 3 here. One of the... We lost a family member. Wait, so what is the fix? I don't know if I understand. Like, how do I know if it's an emote? A spread operator is Unicode aware. Uh-huh. What am I doing? I'm doing slice. Yeah, I don't have 7TV stuff coded. Don't split or map or for each or slice. But what do I do instead? Substring? Emoji aware substring. Runes? I don't want to have to do that. What is this from? 2018? Array.from str splits your string into individual Unicode. This is what you're saying, I think. Yeah. I just didn't get what you meant by that. So, message sliced. We sliced that, and then we join it back together. It's kind of messy, but okay. Let's bring back the family of 4. Oh? I don't know if that's exactly right. Why is there a bunch of space after my family of 4? It's closer to right. You lost connection for a few seconds. What did you miss? I added array.from, and then I joined it back to a string. And it kind of works, but there's like some extra spaces sometimes. I don't know if they're actually there or if I'm seeing things. Let's see. You're this one. No, there's definitely a space here. Hmm. Weird. Whoa. You broke it. How did you break it this time? 2 people went missing. Where did those 2 people go? It was already broken before too? Oh. There's a runes API. I think maybe instead of doing this, what am I doing? I'm pushing. Wait, I'm also doing a +1 here. Should I not be doing +1 here? No, I should. That's everything after the emote. I don't know. I don't know how much I care. Oh, wait, this is also slicing. So this also needs to do right up from... Maybe? Does mine just have a space in it? Oh, mine... No. What? I think Twitch adds the space. Because I see the space on Twitch. Why are you trying this again? All right. I think we've won. Do you have FFZ installed where you're seeing... I just have BTTV. I'm not very hip. I don't have all the cool emote extensions. Single quotes this time, but dollar probably escaped for sure. Wait, did it? Hold on. Let me try whatever you sent. What do you mean it escaped? How did it escape? It looks fine. You can check out over here if you want. Oh my god, this is a mess. Okay, my terminal doesn't like whatever you're sending. What am I even looking for? Oh, I don't think I print out the cow say things here. You remember when I was going to do Advent of Code? I remember. Use Twitch API directly for chat so it doesn't bork. What was the actual reason I wanted to switch? I don't remember. Oh, so we could get the clear thing. We didn't implement that yet. Okay. Okay. Let's do that real quick. Yeah. Chat. Okay. So when we get a clear message, what are we supposed to do? I need to look at it again. Target message ID. Okay. And do they have a message ID? Is that like a ID? Okay. ID and target message ID. All right, this is easy. What we're going to do, when we put the message into the DOM somewhere, and we can just do this. How does this work again? Yeah, so we can put an object here. You can say id zeta.tags.id. And then when we get a clear message, we'll just stick it right here. Zeta.command equals clear message. Data.tags.targets target message ID, I think. How do we delete DOM remove element by ID 2010. This dot parent, no, what? Really? No. Okay, let's go a little newer. Yeah, dot remove. Yeah, so we can just query selector query this. We can do the better thing. Dot get element by ID. It's probably smarter. Dot remove. Yeah, you want a question mark, don't you? Has any type. It's fine. It is fine. All right. That was close AF. Get your message deleted. Oh no, it deletes everything but the username. I have put the ID on the wrong thing. Hold on. No, I was just deleting it to test if the deleting works. I don't actually want to delete your message for any reason. Okay. So it's the chat box. ID data.tags.id. Oops. Yank. Okay. I think we've fixed it. Where are we going? This one? This one? Set attribute on element 0. Not a valid attribute name. Nice. Why is it not a valid attribute name? It worked before. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Hold on. This is no longer this. Okay, somebody send a message so I can delete it. That's a bug, not a feature. Yeah, it's a bug, not a feature. All right, get deleted. Oh my god, it worked. Yay. That's all I wanted for Christmas. We can delete messages now. How pog is that? Get push. That was the sweetest get deleted I've ever seen. Hugging out of my mind. How did he get deleted? Because I wrote code. I can delete people. Look, you're out of here. I can censor everybody. You're gone. I can't delete myself. Get out of here. Delete me got censored by the auto mod. I'll allow it through so I can delete it. I think the auto mod just hates you. I don't know. Yeah, see, Alkas didn't get... What the fuck? I don't know. Okay, we can turn this off. We can bring back the real chat. And now I need to fix my tokens. So bear with me. Okay. I need to fix it over here in like 3 places. God. Oh, OBS, stop. What are you doing? Relax. It's okay. Just let me edit the string. Okay. I wish I could have variables in OBS. So I don't have to update this in 7 places. Okay. Oh, the chat won't actually need it now. So I can just delete it for the chat. That's cool. We're gonna have to fix it on scenes like this. Very nice catch. Is that 2 legendaries fighting each other? Holy cow. I don't think we've ever seen that. I made the coolest thing I made on my stream last night. What'd you make? All right, that was a fun advent of code problem. Facial tracking through OBS, interacting with Godot. Oh, that sounds fun. Wait, OBS has facial tracking? Is that a plugin? I didn't opt into that. I don't want my face tracked. What the hell? The Move plugin has facial tracking. Really? Why? Did I update my token everywhere? Yes. But I need to do one more thing, which is come up here, restart that, come down here. We're good. Okay, we can do advent of code now. Let me just make a new recording so I know when it starts. All right, you're out. Have fun. All right, have a good night. Nice procrastination. Thank you. I am an expert at it. What the heck? 14 is above 15? What the... Is it broken? Is it supposed to be like this? Why is 14 above 15? I'm scared. Image script alert XSS script. Pretty close. Bad cough stream? Yup, you know it. All right, here we go. We're going to do D14. Parabolic reflector dish. You reach the place where all the mirrors were pointing, a massive parabolic reflector dish attached to the side of another large mountain. The dish is made of many small mirrors, but while the mirrors themselves are roughly in the shape of a parabolic reflector dish, each individual mirror seems to be pointing in slightly the wrong direction. If the dish is meant to focus light, all it's doing right now is sending it in a vague direction. This system must be what provides the energy for the lava. If you focus the reflector dish, maybe you can go where it's pointing and use the light to fix the lava production. Upon closer inspection, the individual mirrors each appear to be connected via an elaborate system of ropes and pulleys to a large metal platform below the dish. The platform is covered in large rocks of various shapes. Depending on their position, the weight of the rocks deforms the platform, and the shape of the platform controls which ropes move and ultimately the focus of the dish. In short, if you move the rocks, you can focus the dish. The platform even has a control panel on the side that lets you tilt it in one of the 4 directions. The rounded rocks will roll when the platform is tilted, while the cube-shaped rocks will stay in place. You note the positions of all the empty spaces and rocks in your puzzle input. For example, what are you trying to do, Rupee? Why do you want to access as my overlay? It's not gonna work for what it's worth, but yeah, but like to what end, right? Like for the lulz, I guess. It's not gonna work though. I hate to tell you. You're making it more secure by testing it. Okay. If you say so. Okay, so if we start with this, we've got round rocks. Can I know what sanitizer you're using? I'm not using a sanitizer. I don't need to. Why would I need a sanitizer? I'm lost. We got circle rocks and they roll when the platform is tilted. The cube-shaped rocks stay in place. So we can like super monkey ball this platform and tilt it and move stuff around. Oh boy, how are we gonna do this? Start by tilting the lever so all the rocks will slide north as far as they will go. You notice that the support beams along the north side of the platform are damaged. You should calculate the total load on the north. Wait, what? I'm so lost. The total load is the sum of the load caused by all of the rounded rocks. In this example, the total load is 136. It's equal to the number of rows from the rock to the south edge of the platform. The number of rows from the rock to the south edge of the platform. I feel like I'm just like not understanding any of this. So we have an input. They all slide. Are we just counting how many O's are in each section? So this is like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 59, 59, math, 68, 76, 84, 92, 100, 121, 133, 136. Yay, okay, I understand the problem. Okay. So the main thing is we need to implement this like gravity function that moves all the rocks in one direction. And then we need to do this summation thing where we like count how many are in the row and multiply by the row. That seems easy enough. How do we implement this gravity function? We can do this all in one pass. We count how many are in each column. And then we stop counting the column when we get to a hashtag. That's literally it. We don't need to do the gravity. Oh no, that's not true. Sorry, I lied. Because if there was, say, an O here, it would still move up. Okay. So we keep two numbers per column, which is like the current open position. And then the like running sum. I think that works. So we'll have two arrays. Yeah, okay. I'm good with that. Let's sample input it up. Let's grab our real input while we're here. Yeah. Okay. While ifs equals read our line, do, done, file, sample.txt. Too many arrows. Echo line. Continue.
Fatality.
Row equals 0, column equals 0. Column equals 0. Row plus plus. Column plus plus. Okay. We're indexing our grid. Now we need two arrays. We're going to have declare a sums, declare a what did I call these? Index, I guess. If row equals 0, then width equals line. Echo width. Exit 0. 10. Is that true? Is it 10 wide? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Okay. For I equals 0, I less than width, I plus plus, do sums width equals 0, index equals 0. Oh, hi. So, what are we gonna do? Whenever we get a character,
Fatality.
uh, if char equals O, are they O's? Yeah. We're gonna take index column plus plus and let's see. Just to mess with people, every fifth O is a 0. Please no. I equals index column. We need the height of the grid. Do we know the height of the grid? We can just do height equals file. Huh? 10. Example in real input is a square. Well, I don't care. I'm gonna support any. So I equals index. We're gonna do sums column plus equals I. And now we have another case. If the char is a cube, then it equals row. Is that right? No, because this needs to be plus equals I. Height minus I think. Okay. I think we're there. Oh, bedtime? All right. Have a good night. So for I equals 0, I is less than width I plus plus do done echo sums I. Huh. That's strange. Oh, why did I say width here? I 10. All right, well, I can tell you for a fact that that's incorrect. What happened here? So it looks like we got these ones right, but then anything after that didn't work. So something with this index plus plus is maybe not working. Thanks for the follow. Why didn't this work? Okay, there's a lot of O's. There's way more than that. I'm an idiot. Am I doing something else dumb? Wait, where else am I doing it dumb? One. Huh? You have to do this. No? Look who's live on a time I don't have to sleep for a change. Yeah, it's it's a little bit of a time. Hey, Stony. So my eye is becoming something broken. Why is my eye... That doesn't seem to make a difference. Is there like a bunch more output? No. 0, 0, 0. Oh my goodness. How is column that big? Because I'm an idiot. Line. Okay. He was very purple with all those badges. Okay. Those are our numbers. Those look more reasonable, I suppose. $144 is the wrong number. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh... 136. There we go. I think Alco went to bed. Thank God. All right. We've solved it. It's just time to do the inputs. Yay. Look how right we are. Are we cooking? We just cooked part 1. We had a late start. Don't mind the stream timer. We didn't actually start 2 hours ago. No, he didn't raid me. He stopped streaming like a minute before I went live. Just in time. Yeah, all right. We're about to do part 2. So if anybody hasn't done part 2 yet, spoilers. Here we go. The parabolic reflector dish deforms, but not in a way that focuses the beam. To do that, you'll need to move the rocks to the edges of the platform. Fortunately, a button on the side of the control panel labeled Spin Cycle attempts to do just that. Each cycle tilts the platform 4 times so that the rounded rocks roll north, then west, then south, then east. After each tilt, the rounded rocks roll as far as they can before the platform tilts in the next direction. After 1 spin cycle, the platform will have finished rolling the rounded rocks in the 4 directions in that order. Here's what happens in the above example after each of the first few cycles. I'm doing part 2 at the moment and I'm crying. Let's see. What's the order? North. Oh, so this is the same sample. No? Oh, that's a lot of cycles. This process should work if you leave it running long enough. But you're still worried about the north support beams. To make sure they'll survive for a while, you need to calculate the total load on the north support beams after one big number cycles. I'm sorry, 1 billion cycles? That's going to take a while. After 1 billion cycles, the total load on the north support beams is 64. Well, this sounds fun. My initial code would have done 9 hours 30 over it. Hmm. Yes. So we need to know the position of each rock after 1 billion cycles. How do we do this? So this would go north, west, south, east. I feel like you reach some steady state at some point. Just trying to think what it is. Denby's probably asleep. Hmm. So this one would go bonk, bonk, Bonk. Bonk. For how long is Advent of Code available? I think it's forever. I think you can still submit like last year's. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think you're meant to actually run the simulation to do this quickly. Is my intuition, because this is a big number. And I don't think they would do that. So I think there's got to be a simplification here. But I don't exactly know what it is. How fast people do this. Pretty fast. I don't think this is a dynamic programming problem. Because I'm not sure how it would be. Is it? Hmm. Oh, it could be. Especially considering that it's a square. Because you could cache one column. And if you see that column, then you know how to solve it. Would that help us to get to 1 billion though? 1 billion's still a big number to just do a loop on. Plus, I don't think the slow part is doing a column. Well, maybe it is. This is tricky. I'm curious how many people solved this on my my leaderboard. Brian did part 1 and gave up. Classic. Oh, Code Monk. What happened? It took you so long. Did you brute force it? Wow. I'm hoping that these are not runtime problems. Could you explain a high-level difference between iterations? Problem statement doesn't correlate for me. Yeah, sure. So we started off with this, right? Basically, it's a gravity function. So the gravity is pointing up in this situation. So you need to make all of the circles fall towards the top. So they all fall towards the top. And then this is the end result. In part 2, it's the same thing, but the gravity, you do 4 iterations. So first you go up, then you go left, then you go down, and then you go right. And after you do that, this is like what the next iteration looks like. So it's like one circle of gravity. No, I've been battling with one-offs for a while. I see. I kind of want to just like, my naive thought is to write a little visualization of this and see what happens. Because I have a feeling something interesting happens like after not that many iterations. But I could be totally wrong. But it is kind of an involved thing to write to make the little visualization. So I'm not 100% convinced I want to do it. Let's do it. It'll be fun. Part 1 complete. It's going to be annoying because we didn't actually implement the gravity for part 1. I was too smart for my own good. I optimized it too much. So we kind of just have to start a new file at this point. Chmod part 2. Watch and reload. Okay. Visualization in Bash. Okay, that's something to watch. How do I want to do this? What's the way that I can make this that it'll run the fastest? Hey, how's it going? I think the way, okay, let's steal a little bit of this. Am I planning to brute force it? No. I just want to see what I'm making the brute force algorithm so I can see what it does. Like we're going to make like a little visualization of what the heck is going on here. So we are going to do this. We're not going to do any of this garbage. Actually, we will do this garbage, but only this. We won't do any of this stuff. Okay, just this. And then I wanna declare a grid. Overclock CPU and go burr. Just, we'll have each column run in a thread. And when I say thread, I mean process, because there's no such thing as threads. Yeah, do you have a quantum computer I can do this on? That'll be super helpful. All right, here's what we're going to do. Grid row column equals char. Visualize is gonna go for I. For I don't know, y equals 0, y less than height x Oh, that seems kind of far. Grid y comma x. Doesn't seem to have worked. Hmm. Well, this should definitely say width. Oh, we're not calling visualize. Hmm. That's curious. I think I deleted the part where we increment call. I did. It's all right. Yeah. Okay, we can visualize our grid. Now, how do we do gravity? What was your streak? Oh, we can check. Let's see. Were you the red handfish? You got to 21. You're rank 9 on the leaderboard. Yeah, good work. 39 is the record to beat. It's kind of crazy. Okay. How do we Which way is it easiest to do gravity? I guess it doesn't really matter. Oh, these should be 1, 2. Oh, okay. Yep, you need to go first. So if gravity is south, then I want to index this thing. Height minus 1. Wait, that doesn't work. Why doesn't that work? Strange. Oh, there we go. Work? I wonder why this didn't work when I inlined it. Oh, whatever. Well, we can say local. All right, east is going to be tricky. So east means that this... Wait, no. East means we're going to the left. So what happens if I do 2y? I don't think that's right. That's kind of right. Yeah, it's actually good enough, I think. You're gonna AFK fish for a bit? All right. What happens if we just do 1 here? No, that's the west case. Okay. The west case is this is 1. Good morning. How's it going? So west. Wait, is that right? No. Yes. Okay. Okay. We have an indexing function that works with gravity. Wait a minute, what? Oh. Okay. We just need to apply gravity in the different directions. So we need another function to apply gravity. And the way it's going to work apply gravity. We're gonna need our index column thing again. So this is local A. Let's see. If y is equal to 0, we initialize our array. No, I. Initialize our array. Going across. And whenever we come across an O, it's literally the same logic. If it's an O, then don't do this anymore. Oh wait, shit. We have a new problem. How do I update something at the index? What? No. The fuck? I don't really understand the logistics of that. Does anyone know how to do this? Yeah, I want to y plus 1 index x x. These all need to say indices. Can we have index do something that's like if char equals O, then home. Okay, what if we do this? Local x, y. Y equals 1. It's grid y x, right? X equals that. Y equals 2. Y equals 2. X equals 1. Y equals that. X equals 2. Wait, this one's supposed to be 2. Right? If char is an O, then grid yx equals what does it equal? A dot? Or do we want to make it go to 3? We say index dot if it's not equal to this, then we change it. Oh, thank you. I'm having a heck of a time here. We're gonna index to y is now I. Let's do that here. Okay. Function spin cycle. Gravity equals n. N, what is it? North, east, southwest. Apply gravity. Visualize. Spin cycle. That didn't work at all. Shit. Maybe it did. Is that what it's supposed to look like after one cycle? Oh, almost. Pretty close. Something went wrong. Oh no. It's north. Oh wait. I was looking at the wrong thing. No, that's not what it's supposed to look like. Wait, northwest, southeast. Hold on. Is that what it's supposed to look like? It is. Oh my god. All right, we can do cycles. All right. What we need to do now is just put like a little sleep in here. And then we need to I hesitate to do a while true. Let's just do like a for let's do like 100. All right, I don't know what I was hoping to observe here. But it's fun. I'm glad we made it. That doesn't look very fast. It's gonna take a while. Let it cook. You thought it'd be more repetitive, but there seems to be some variance. I don't think there is. I think it did reach a steady state. I think we have an issue though that it's never gonna end because somewhere we're using I and we're not doing local, and it's it is breaking things. Let's change this to iter. Oh, what? What has happened? There's two of them running at the same time. Oh no. Oh no. Kill all P1. P2. Okay. In the bottom right, there's sometimes 1 or 2 stones. Ooh, only 1 visualized per loop might be smart. I don't know. It's kind of fun though. You're right. Sometimes there's 2 and sometimes there's 1. Holy shit, it's bad cop. Holy shit, it's Duck W. Oh my goodness. What are the odds?
Guys, I won't hopefully spend too much time on this.
What a clip. Top left, 2. Wait, I thought there were always... Oh, there is sometimes 1. How come it's still not stopping? Wait, what's my math here? What is, what's 100 times 0.2 times 4? 4 times 0.2. Oh. 2 minutes? Okay, it stopped. 80? I don't think it's 80. Is it? Oh, I typed... Oh, you're right. Yeah, I typed 0.3. You're right. It's 80. Good call. You're good at math. Yeah, they're done washing. So what's our score supposed to be? It should be 64. How do I know if it's 64? I guess we need another function. Uh... Uh... If char equals O, then total total plus equals, it's the what is it? It's the y value, but it's not. It's L equals minus height. Height minus y, I think. Let's add the load to visualize. Hold on, we have to put our functions in order. Load 0. Uh-oh. I guess for hot dogging. All right, let's watch it in hot dog mode. Wait, it's not working anymore. Why isn't it working? Oh, local y, local xy. Hold on. I guess we can use local gravity. No? Shit. What's going on here? Oh, it's not... what? Hold on. So if I don't do the load function... Okay, fine. What if I don't do char? What if I say char 2? Surely that works. That still doesn't work? You're kidding me. Is it because of the gravity? No, it's not because of the gravity. I don't understand. Oh, we're still indexing. Hold on. There we go. Why is the load, like, not updating as frequently as the thing? Huh? Oh, on east-west it doesn't change. You're right. That's a good call. Let's okay. Let's, instead of visualize, okay, so these are our loads after each cycle. We got a load of 87, 69, 69, 69, 65, 64, 65. Let's do more iterations. Okay.
Fatality.
So do we have a pattern here? 64, 65, 63. Yes. We have a pattern. So I think we need to go until we find like a repeated pattern in the loads, maybe. It is a little weird because this is also a repeated pattern. So how do we know what pattern to take? Maybe this won't happen on our input. Let's try it on input. Just to get a sense of what this looks. Oh my god, it runs so slow per iteration. All right, let it cook. Why does it run that slow? I tried to write it so that it wouldn't run that slow. Thank you for the raid. How is your stream? We're struggling with Advent of Code over here. Pretty hard. Do you see how slow these numbers are coming out? We need to do this a billion times. But currently the numbers are coming out pretty slowly. The numbers are going back up, which is interesting. Will it start going back down? I was also on the struggle bus. ESM, CGS, yeah. I feel that. Hey, Trash Puppy. Hi, CEO of H2Max. I'm not sure if I am anymore. You know, I think we settled that yesterday. Number go burr, not burr. I'm doing okay. This is not great news. This number going this slowly, if I'm honest. Do we care about the load? I mean, we do. Okay, have we seen a 10,500 before? Or a 10,500? We have. When was it followed by last time? Oh. This already looks cyclical. All right, let's let this finish running. We're just gonna analyze this data and try and figure it out by hand. We know that it's one of these numbers. And this smells like classic Advent code. If we have to guess all of these numbers, that's fine. There's like 80. Just binary search the answers. Yes, it's cyclical. Each state only depends on the previous state. Yeah. I think we can solve it by hand with like math. Ew, math. Exactly. I don't know how to make my code do the math. True. Yeah, you can just do math in an arithmetic expansion. Why didn't I think of that? I feel like we already know that this is cycling, but I'm just gonna let it. I have a way. What is it? Paste buffer? Is that right? Control B P? Aha. Yes, that'll be useful. Okay, we got like 350 lines. Should we just start our analysis while this runs? What are we gonna do? Save it to AOC day 14 cycles.txt. Okay. Oops. Brute force? I don't think we need brute force. We need a little bit of math. So we need to figure out how long the cycle is and what the offset of the cycle is. And then we can run the numbers to see which number we'll be at when we're at 1 billion. So I think we can just do this until we see a number. Okay, that one's repeated right next to itself. That's not it. No, I know 10,500 or 10,500 is one. So it's somewhere around there. Come on. Which one of you has lots of friends? You know what? Okay, fine. Cycles.txt sort n. No, unique-c. Sort n. Okay. We know 10, 5, 3, 3, 5. I don't know. We're close. We can just keep doing this. It's one of you. I know it. Which one of you is it? You. 10, 5. Wait. This one. Okay. So we have 123 numbers before it starts cycling. So let's write where do I want to put this? Paint. Where's my pen? Keep losing it. Uh, 1, 2, 3. And then the cycle length is, we've got, oh, it's quite long. I need to make sure I don't off by 1 here. So it's 26. So what is our algorithm here? If we do a billion, let's do this. 1E9 stop. 1E9. I think, is it minus or plus the offset? Hey, Captain Coder. Hey, no spoilers. I'm not reading that. My intuition says minus. Let's think about this. Yeah, I think we want minus. So minus 1, 2, 3. Oh. Hey, Captain Coder. Are you finished with day, what's it? 14? Happy Thursday. Wait, is it Thursday? I thought it was, oh yeah, it is Thursday. My calendar is so off. I think it's this. Will give us the index into our cycle. So let's run this real quick. Here, we can do it legit. We can use bash, right? 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, 2, 3. Percent 26. This technically counts as solving it with bash. 19. Uses ZSH. Hey, shh. So, if we go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. Here, let's just do this. We're gonna go down 19. Okay, is this our answer? Too high. Shoot. 1 minute. Okay. Sag, yeah. If it's too high, we could try the one before. Which one did we even guess? 50, 60. Hmm. Or would it be minus 124? $18. I'm just gonna try this one, to be honest. Has it been a minute yet? Hey, okay. Should I write the code that picks this number? Or should I just celebrate my victory? Nah. Celebrate? I think it's not that hard. I mean, we need to do cycle detection. Exactly, yeah. We might as well do it. What else are we gonna do, you know? How do you do cycle detection? I haven't done this in so many long time. Tortoise and hare algorithm in bash? How does that one work? Is that just how you did it with your eyes? I went until I saw... Yeah, but it's not just until you see a repeat, right? Because we saw repeats before before we got to the right number. Like, if we look at this, there were a couple that were doubled. Yeah, slow and fast iterator. Wait, 2 iterators, one stepping once, other stepping twice until they match? Yeah, I'm not sure how that fits here. If there were no duplicates, this would be a lot easier. If you find a duplicate, check if the next along is a duplicate too. Hold on, let me think about this. I mean, looking at the data, we could just go until... We could just go until we find a duplicate that's not, like, back to back. If you look at the values, you'll need to find a stable repeat. So maybe once the pattern is stable for X loops without breaking it, you got it. Yeah, we could look for 2 cycles, but right, it's not like a pure cycle. It's a there's an offset. Let me look at these numbers. 101,272. Oh no, these weren't right next to each other. Interesting. But these ones were. There can only be one cycle because the algorithm is deterministic. Right, but how is this not a cycle, right? How do we know not to stop here? You have to store board state, not the score. Saving board states gets pricey fast, doesn't it? Like, Bash doesn't like when you have giant variables. You could check if the distance to its duplicate is 0 mod 4. 0 mod 4? What? Bash should handle about 6 megabytes? Would it be 6 megabytes? The grid is what, 100 by 100? So it's 10,000, so 10K. And we need to store 100 of them, roughly, or 200. I guess that's only 2 meg. Where'd you get 6 meg from? The bigger problem is we don't exactly have I guess I could serialize the board to a string. Manual solve. Let's see if we can do that. We can... we're gonna do... Make the full board the file name? You're out of your mind. Hey, how's it going? Hash it, maybe? Oh, that's an interesting idea. Beware of collisions, yeah. But what are the odds we're gonna get, like, enough collisions to make it look like a cycle, right? Like... You want me to SHA-256 the board? That seems a little overkill. Technically, the load function is a hash of sorts. Which is why we kind of could... We could just copy this and do something similar. Now we can probably just stringify it. Uh, oh, this is gonna be so slow. Is there a way we can do this faster? Okay. That prints a grid. But we're gonna have to do string comparisons on these things. Do I have SHA-256? No. Oh, I do. uh, we could do that. Sure, why not? So we do a spin cycle. Do we need to consider our starting state? I think we do, right? Oh, that might have been why we had the off by 1 error. No, wait, we were calling... Oh my goodness, what's going on here? I don't actually know. We... don't need to calculate the load anymore. Okay, so all we need to do... we're going to keep the hashes. We're going to say hashes gridshaw equals the iteration that we're on. Then we're going to do a check if we don't have that one. Hashes gridshaw. Otherwise, we're done. We're gonna... well, we still need all the... yeah, because we're saving the iteration. So we wouldn't need to go another cycle until we found the right one that like matches up to 1 billion. So we'll say like solution index. Elif solution index. I forgot the thens. We're not gonna break. If iter solution index. This is when we do load and break. All of this is going to do is set our solution index to be... We got to do our math here. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Somebody said I could do 10 times 9, which is kind of cool. 124. I don't know what 124 is in this context. That's the offset. So that would be offset equals hashes grid SHA offset percent cycle. And cycle is offset iter minus offset. Echo cycle detected offset cycle. The solution index is going to be... Wait a minute. That's not the solution index. What is the solution index? Let's start that running. Huh? Fair. Yeah, we're done. Okay, we're going to start that running. Just so we can see if this detects the cycle. But I'm trying to wrap my head around what I actually, when I want to go until. We're going to say solution index, but this isn't solution index. This is cycle offset. Yeah, I know where we're hopefully going to detect the cycle on this run, but we need to figure out where the answer is, right? Because the answer is not just where the cycle repeats. It's like somewhere specific in the cycle. How long did it take to fix that overlay? Like an hour or so. Target amount minus cycle start. Hold on, let me think. Let me cook. Because we're not actually caching the results. I think we want to go iter minus offset. Will tell us something. Percent cycle. Okay, so see, it found the cycle, 123.26. That's good. But it found it at iteration 149. Which would be line 150. Ooh. Which means it needs to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. No, 18. Wait, which one of these was right? This one? I think we need to go 18 more. Thank you for the raid. Oh, so it is just this. It would go minus offset. Minus 1. So we go yeah, I think it's literally just solution index equals iter plus cycle offset. All right, we have to run this again. Also, I need to remember what the right answer was. Okay, it is the one with the 8. Let's put this somewhere safe. I gotta get to work, but have fun. Best of luck with the adventing the calendar. Thank you. We did already beat the problem, but now we're trying to automate it because we did it by hand. We cheated a little bit. This thing is depressingly slow. I don't know how we make it faster.
Fatality.
How did you do it by hand? I looked at the output of the program and found the cycle and did some math. You can see my math down here. What do you mean, lol? Oh, you thought I calculated the states by hand. No, no, no. We just let it run for like 1,000 iterations, and then we looked at the output. Okay. So it's going to find the cycle. This might be off by 1, which is going to be sad. But we could just fix it in post. Do a few hundred iterations, catch the pattern. Like, yeah. I wish my iterations weren't so slow. Imagine moving all those stones 1 billion times. It got the right answer. Let's go. Very easy. Let's try it on the sample. It should go much faster. Oh, yeah. Do they tell you? Yeah, 64. That's so much faster. Thank you. I still like our visualization. Let's turn off these. Oh, actually, let's keep these. Let me do a commit. Woo. Okay, now let me delete these. And let's bring back visualize. Oh wait, visualize does a load. I don't know. I'm really glad we made the visualization. I think this this is great. You know, we probably don't even need this sleep for the big boy. Let's try it. Now individually animate the stones moving. Laundry simulator. Okay, let's see. Let it cook. You did the maze drawing? Oh, I did too. Do you want to see mine? How can we... There we go. You're cooking? This is a washing machine. Yeah, I did a short for mine too. But I can show it real quick. What day was that? Day 10? Hang on. Before I get too deep, let's visualize equals false. Visualize equals true or return. And is that all we need? I mean, it runs really slow. So if visualize is false, we'll print out the iteration. If visualize equals false, echo iteration iter. All right. At least it does something when you're not visualizing. Add visualization switch. Okay. Back to day 10. We got to do a Python. And then we got to do one of these. 8,000. Well, I just it's an HTML file. Oh, this is 8,000. But it's on a different computer, so I have to like Oh, you did yours in that console? Yeah, check mine out. What is it? Step? Start? Window dot... what did I call it? Move? Yeah, it's fun. I feel like I should put myself in, wait. Hold on. Nope. So we put it like this. Put it here, and then we go to this mode. Yeah, now we're... Now it's YouTube short. Want to see yours? Sure. Hold on, I gotta wait for mine to finish. Let it cook. It's going. It's trying its best. Oh, a TikToker? That's me. Here, we can even do this. If you want to make it bigger, I'll go over here. It's got a lot of work to do. Professional streamer vibes. I made it intentionally slow so that I could like edit it and speed up and slow down parts. I had to rotate my screen by 90 degrees to record it at native resolution. Okay, so here's where my algorithm gets inefficient, right? We sure are letting it cook. It does look cool. But you're about to see the really inefficient part. Is that flood fill? Yep. Is this DFS? No. I think it's BFS, right? Maybe it is DFS, but it's not the recursive one. I don't know. With BFS, so it's spread evenly. Can you do BFS for flood fill? Yeah, I think you're right that this is DFS. This part feels weird to me because I don't like that it goes back and cleans up all these parts later. BFS would be nicer. All right, get ready. We're almost at the very exciting part. The big finish. Ready? Oh boy, we're counting the circles or the dots. And there you have it. You know, this mess. All right, let's see yours. Where was the link? Here.
So here's a quick visualization for Advent of Code Day 10. I hope you like it.
Wow.
So here's a quick visualization.
That ran a lot faster than mine. I mean, mine runs pretty fast when you do it. Where's my YouTube short? There you go. Please like and subscribe. Oh, I should have liked yours. Hold on. Let me go back. Yeah, mine has a bunch of like request animation frames to make it slower. But I sped up parts of this to make it, I don't know, less Okay, wait. How do I get back to yours? Here we go.
So here's a quick visualization for Advent of Code Day.
Do I do edits for the AOC videos? Yeah. Yeah, it is a ton of work, but it's been fun. I really like the thumbnail for day 5. When I did it properly, I'd spend about 4 to 6 hours of editing per 10 minutes. Wait, what? Okay, I'm not doing that. Mine's like OFN editing. Yeah, day 5 was brutal for me. OFN factorial video editing algorithm. I would animate stuff frame by frame. Oh yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm just taking the VODs and like editing out all the stuff that's not interesting. It's interesting that people liked seeing me fail. My most viewed one is the one where I submitted and I got the wrong answer. I got through the first 6 days without any failures. Time for dinner? All right. People like feeling smart. A short where AI can't count to 3. Unlurk. Well, welcome back. All right, I think we win. I often submit also when I'm very unsure about the solution. Hope dies last. Yeah, I have started just wildly submitting. I'm sorry, what is this emote? C# guy. I see. It's just too easy, right? Like, I used to do some Fall Guys with viewers when I streamed on Twitch. Wait, you have another C# head. I have these. All right, see ya. I also need to head out. What are the odds? Did I draw my emotes? No, I hired somebody. Twitch. If Prime was doing AOC, I would raid him. I don't really want to raid his React content. Is anybody doing Advent of Code? Advent of Code. Yeah, you too. What do we got? It's me? Coder 2K? I don't know who this is.
Oh, das hier.
No, it's not English.
Ich weiß. Chillt mal.
No. Advent of Code catch-up? Science and technology stream.
No, it's the same.
I haven't been to that category in a while.
That went to the bottom.
All right,
That's fine.
this is where we're going.
Okay, so it does the initial bit,
Ah.
the second bit, and that. Okay.
See you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye, and thank you
That's fine.
for the stream
Good
and
stuff.
fishing.
Let's go
Thank
through
you for
these.
the watch streak. I will see you all tomorrow.